Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
A vitamin D deficiency could be the reason why you're not losing weight. If you are working out regularly to lose weight but have been unsuccessful in your endeavors, then watch about the role vitamin D has to play. In our newfound obsession with fitness, everyone is ready to go to any length to lose weight, while eating clean, home-cooked meals and a consistent exercise routine of 30 to 45 minutes, 3 to 5 days a week can promise long-lasting effects. Sometimes, the results you are expecting simply fail to show up, even if you have been playing by the rules. Now, if you have been stuck in this situation where nothing seems to be shrinking that waist or booty, you have got to introspect more deeply instead of jumping on to a fad diet. You must be wondering about what introspection? Well, we got in touch with Avni Kaul, nutritionist, wellness coach and founder of Nutri Activania, Delhi, to decode the mystery behind why you are unable to lose weight despite trying so hard. Here is what she has to say. One of the reasons of this problem could be that the person is eating healthy but in larger portions. Hence, meal portions need to be controlled in order to achieve results. Secondly, they could be leaving long gaps between their meals. But most importantly, they could be having a deficiency of some vitamin or mineral like vitamin D, which could be putting their weight loss efforts to waste. Muscle and bone weakness are also indicators of a vitamin D deficiency. The deficiency of vitamin D is an important factor here. Studies have found that when there is a sufficient level of vitamin D in your body, it is easier to lose weight. In fact, the study in question is published in the International Journal of Endocrinology and it states women with an adequate amount of vitamin D in their bodies experience more weight loss compared to those who were vitamin D deficient. Another research published in the Nutrition Journal found that increasing vitamin D's intake led to a decrease in the body fat percentage of the participants of the study. This is mostly because vitamin D affects the storage and production of fats in the body. It impacts other hormones such as testosterone and neurotransmitters serotonin in your body. While testosterone is known to reduce body fat and promote weight loss by boosting your metabolism and blocking the formulation of new fat cells, serotonin can decrease your appetite and calorie intake by making you feel satiated for longer as well as by regulating your sleep pattern. According to Kaul, the deficiency of vitamin D could be attributed to several factors. There aren't too many food sources of vitamin D. And even though sunlight exposure of 15 to 20 minutes can fulfill your vitamin D requirements, the application of sunscreens for protecting the skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun as well as of several makeup products hinder the absorption of this nutrient. Changing lifestyles, which include odd working hours, especially during the night, and covering your body to prevent a tan while going out can also lead to lesser absorption of vitamin D from the sun. How can you combat this problem? For the sake of weight loss as well as for calcium absorption, to ensure strong bone health and smooth running of your other bodily functions, it is imperative to up your vitamin D intake so as to eliminate its deficiency and the several health consequences of it. The best and the most natural way to get vitamin D is to be in the sun for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes daily. If for any reason that's not possible, then try to include vitamin D rich foods such as mushrooms, egg yolks, cow or soy milk, and orange juice in your diet. Fortified cereals and milk and fish are also rich sources of vitamin D. If necessary, you can take a vitamin D supplement as well as to fulfill your nutritional requirement. Keep this in mind though. Just like everything else in life, the role of maintaining a healthy balance is important in case of vitamin D as well. Hence, ensure that you don't go overboard with its consumption because an excess of vitamin D can cause side effects such as a toxic buildup of calcium in your blood, nausea, vomiting, and bone and kidney complications. So talk to your physician before taking a vitamin D supplement and remember that moderation is the key. It's time to understand the importance of sunshine vitamin and vitamin-rich foods in your life, especially when it comes to weight loss.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.